Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's March 2025. Timmy just came out from underneath the workshop. Hey Timmy, please don't go back in there. Yes, I know, handsome boy. Timmy, please be good. I know there could be something in there that you could hunt for. Be a good boy. It's okay. You stay out of there. Well, hey folks, it's March 4th, 2025. It's in the afternoon. It's up to 41 degrees Fahrenheit right now. And I just got done using Elon, the excavator here, to clean up a couple of the wall unit pieces that were still here. Another Sunbach camera over here that's crushed. and then I went out back, picked up a lot of the tools that were here that are decent tools. I don't think that they were damaged. I left the aluminum shovel here, which is good, and the sledgehammer there. Most of my hand tools up against this outer wall, they seem to be okay. I could see some of them that are broken there, but we'll take it bit by bit. So tomorrow the claims adjuster, the new claims adjuster, is coming, and tomorrow at 8 a.m. so hopefully he shows up and that goes well, so we can get some progress and hopefully get that secured. The back of the first of the two-story office part there, the 34 by 50 building. You know, I need things to melt a little bit more so I can safely get as much of the glass out of these different locations where we had a couple sets of windows, and then we had the windows inside of the overhead doors as well. So to get all of those, all of that glass picked up, and then maybe we could start opening up the end of this. I called EV Energy to see if they can get me a price for this, because the claims adjuster is coming tomorrow. I did use Elon to put, since I don't have any of my tools, and Pepe is right over, it's just, I think it's destroyed, completely destroyed. And man, that's my winter go-to RTV, utility vehicle there. These wheels are right up in the air. Looks like the frame is twisted. The axle, the motor's right under there as well. A really reliable one. Suki, the Kubota, the more expensive one, is in there, and I can't really tell how bad that one is yet. But all of my locker cabinets that are in there, my shelving units, they all look to be pretty much damaged, and all of the chainsaws and equipment that I had on top of there, well, I think they're pretty much toast as well. But we have come quite a ways. Remember how much stuff was down here when I started here last week, so at least we can get up closer to it and all. And we really need the insurance company to come through, and so we can get some professionals here to help with this, get this building down off of all of the equipment in there and all of my materials and supplies. There's one of I got my two Graco sprayers there. Those are the ones, airless sprayers that I use. One's still brand new in the box in there. I could see a lot of my copper piping. This was to plumb the house, the workshop, and the work area. All of that is down and crushed, it looks like. My radiant heating tubes look to be damaged as well. So we'll just have to see. And the area right over there is where all of my plumbing supplies, so all of our irrigation, all the gate valves, all of the elbows, T's, reducers, all of those for all the irrigation projects that I had purchased to install over the next 2 years. The one good thing is those you know, our pallet racks there, they seem to be preventing a lot of damage. Although the stuff in between got crushed, our walkways between those, because what you see right there is one of the walkways that I have that go in between those, that I can walk around and work. inside of the shop and have the storage units up above. So, you know, the insurance company is going to want a full itemized list of everything in there, and we've been writing down, trying to gather all that data. And that's one recommendation I have for everyone. Take your phone camera, go around every single room, talk while you're going around, and record everything. You may not get a chance to write everything down, but you'd be surprised how much stuff you accumulate over the years, especially someone like me who's been building, you know, since the early 70s. And I am somewhat of a pack rat. I will buy things, like we have all of the, like the plywood in the workshop, 3/4 inch plywood that I have for all the walls. Well, I only got those half up. The other half is in there stored. Our trusses, I've got 2 sets of trusses, brand new trusses that I bought when an engineer made a mistake for a customer, and basically I got them for 1/3 off. And there are a couple of building projects that I have had planned. All of our gating is inside of there as well. So yeah, and at least the winds are calm today. Really big improvement. I hope things really warm up a lot so that we can get more stuff done. And I think that's about it. I've got to go inside and get some more things. Everything sort of goes on hold when something like this happens, and then you have the jury duty. So there's a lot to do. And little Timmy's looking for attention here, huh, Timmy? Yeah, handsome boy. So I guess with that, we'll make this video somewhat of a short one. There might be some video footage showing at the same time with me going back and forth here. But I really hope tomorrow we have a good day and the appraiser comes and everything works out. It's too long in waiting. February 20th to March 5th. A bit too long. So we'll talk to you later. Stay safe and take care. Bye-bye now.
Mirror shows a face a little older now. Lines tell the story of where and how. I've walked the roads, I've paid my dues. Now I'm searching for the path I choose. The seasons keep on turning, time won't wait, I'm learning to embrace this twist of fate. I'm getting ready for the next phase of me, letting go of what was, setting my spirit free. Life's a journey, not a race to run. It's time to savor the rise of the sun. There's wisdom in these hands, strength in my soul. Dreams I've carried are starting to unfold. I'm building a life that fits who I've become, not afraid to rewrite where I'm from. The winds of change are blowing through my door. I'm not who I was, I'm something more. I'm getting ready for the next phase of me, letting go of what was, setting my spirit free. Life's a journey, not a race to run. It's time to savor the rise of the sun. There's a fire in my heart that still burns bright. A voice inside says it's gonna be alright. The past was the prologue, the best is yet to come. I'm charting new horizons under the same old sun. I'm getting ready for the next phase of me, opening doors to possibility. Life's a canvas, I've got colors to choose. Every step forward, I've got nothing to lose. So here I stand with the future in sight, chasing the stars in the quiet of the night. I'm getting older, but I'm learning to see this is the next phase, the best of me.
Every line I pen, every melody is a piece of my soul, a part of me. The things I've seen, the life I've led, the dreams I've chased, the tears I've shed. Each word I write is a story told of lessons learned and hearts made bold. Every note my heart takes flight, through every song I find my life. That's why I write these songs I do, to share my heart, to share with you. In every verse my spirit sings a gift of love that music brings, to tell the tales of joy and pain, of dancing in the summer rain. Each song a bridge from me to you. That's why I write these songs I do. The highs and lows, the twist of fate, the moments small, the moments great. In every rhythm, in every rhyme, I capture fragments of my time. The laughter shared, the nights alone, the strength I've found, the love I've known. In melodies my heart is free, to share the truth of what I see. That's why I write these songs I do, to share my heart, to share with you. In every verse my spirit sings a gift of love that music brings, to tell the tales of joy and pain, of dancing in the summer rain. Each song a bridge from me to you. That's why I write these songs I do. More than just a simple tune, it's a way to touch the moon, to reach across the miles and years and whisper hope into your ears. Being able to write and share is a gift beyond compare. Through every song I give a part of my own soul, my beating heart. So when you listen, know it's true. Each song I write is meant for you, a testament to life's embrace, a melody to find your place. That's why I write these songs I do, to share my heart, to share with you. In every verse my spirit sings a gift of love that music brings, to tell the tales of joy and pain, of dancing in the summer rain. Each song a bridge from me to you. That's why I write these songs I do. In every note, in every line, I give you all the heart of mine. And as you listen, feel it too. That's why I write these songs I do. In every note, in every line, I give you all the heart of mine. And as you listen, feel it too. That's why I write these songs I do.